What's up, weirdos? Good morning, good morning. What's going on, guys? We got some more red in the market. Let's have a look, see what's going on around the crypto space, guys. A little bit of a warning. We may very well see some more downside here, guys. It's starting to look that way. I was hoping that we would have a green week, green open to the week, but it looks like Bitcoin wants to make another leg down, and it may, not guaranteed, but it may finally see its way down between that 85 to 91K range that I told you guys about weeks ago, right? Let's have a look. JASMY down 4.5% on the day, down 9.7 on the week, down 26.8 on the month, up 22 on the year. Even in a rank at 79, $968 million market cap. We're back below $1 billion there, and 34 million in volume. XCN down 8.2% on the day, 19 on the week, 34 on the month, but up 896 on the year. We're down 2 spots in rank to 113. $571 million market cap and 87 million in volume. Swiftcoin, however, is up 2.5%, down 17.8 on the week, up 18 on the month, and up 437 on the year. We're up 16 spots in rank to 267, $160 million market cap and 24 million in volume. ZBEC down 12.5%, up 19.3 on the week, and up 103% on the month. We're down 21 spots in rank to 315, $129 million market cap, and 19 million in volume. All right, let's go look at some charts. Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin. Hanging out at 94,900 right now, just a hair below 95. Can we turn this around, guys? Can we turn it around? I certainly hope so. We wick down to 93,800 before coming back up again. Will we, however, collapse down to this range of, I'm going to put the box up on the screen for you guys. All right, so 85K to about 91K. Will we fall into that purple box? That is the question. We wick down to it back here. Will we finally wick down into here, even if it is only momentarily? Will we come down there? I think it's entirely possible. Again, we have the death cross playing out right here. Now, I know you're sitting there panicking because I said the word death cross. If you're new to crypto, guys, understand that the death cross is actually a lagging indicator, which means it represents all this red dumping that already happened. That's what it represents, okay? So it doesn't mean something is coming. It means something happened already, okay? To be clear. All right, so going over to JASMY, as usual, guys, JASMY is entirely correlated to Bitcoin's price action right now, right? Continuing its trend downwards, not fantastic, but we'll see what happens, right? Again, down to 1 cent 999. Hopefully 2 cents does not now become a resistance level, which it most likely will. So we could see 1.5 cents for JASMY, maybe 1 cent 1 cent 75. But this level right here that was support for so long, you can bet now at 2 cents, you can bet it's now going to become resistance, most likely. So strap in for that. XCN, what's going on over there? Let's go to the daily time frame. So yeah, we tried to break out of this yesterday. This falling wedge pattern didn't work. We crashed back down inside of it today, right back down to its support level right now at 1 cent 74. Can that hold, or will we come down further to 1 cent 5, which I've been calling for about a week and a half now? We'll see. There's a lot of buying pressure down at this level, so we'll see what happens if we can chip away at that sell wall, and it will or the buy wall, and it will go further down. We'll have to see what happens, right? So at this point in time, guys, all you can really do is make sure that you have some dry powder on the side to take advantage if we do see another leg down, okay? You have to be ready for these situations to be able to take advantage of them. Going over to SwiftCoin. So we rejected off this level here once again, the bottom of this golden pocket. We've rejected back down. We're sitting at 1 cent 6.4 right now. For me, guys, if we continue, like I said, if we do make another leg lower and consolidate, I'm going to be backing the truck up as often as I can to continue to take advantage, guys. Right? I don't know what you guys are going to do, but that is the best option, guys, right? Continue to lower your cost averages, continue to stuff your bags. These are gifts. These are gifts. It might not feel like it, but in the peak of altcoin season later this year, it certainly is going to feel like it, right? So you'll be thankful that you had this time to stuff your bags the way that you are right now. Let's go have a look over at ZBEC. ZBEC back inside this symmetrical triangle, fell down briefly to 2016, but once again wicked right back up inside of its bullish structure. So, like, here's the thing: JASMY, ZBEC, and XEN are all in bullish structures still. They have not invalidated their bullish structures. So it is possible still we go to the upside, but right now it's just not really feeling like it, you know? It's not feeling like it. So yeah, so that's kind of what the market looks like right now. Let's go a little update on JASMY from NeoSun. Let's have a look at that. So Neo says, as a reminder, JASMY is developing mobility as a service solutions in collaboration with Witzco for Toyota Group. Last year, Toyota Blockchain Lab announced its plan to integrate blockchain technology into their vehicles, transforming them into autonomous entities capable of securely interacting with their environment. By assessing a specific amount of the account to each vehicle, called the Mobility Orientated Account, the MOA, based on Ethereum's ERC-4337 standard, Toyota aims to manage all vehicle transactions and interactions directly on the blockchain. This initiative is part of the Toyota Mobility Concept, which seeks to enhance vehicle value and further integrate them into social systems. Just one more step forward, guys, for JASMY's partnership with Toyota on top of the Woven City. The good news just keeps on rolling out for JASMY and their partnerships with companies like Toyota, guys. Absolutely phenomenal. Okay, so guys, listen up. In times like this, when things are uncertain, when you're frustrated, when you're emotional, I know a lot of you guys, I haven't even talked to any of you guys yet today, but I know that a lot of you guys are probably frustrated. You're probably angry. You're probably, on the edge of an abyss, looking into it, thinking that the worst, right? And what I would say, another thing that we teach you over on the Patreon is that, listen, when things are great and euphoric and everything's good, they're never as good as you think that they are. And when things are bad and they're horrible and they feel terrible and it feels the worst, they're never as bad as they seem, okay? So never get too high and never get too low in crypto, right? You have to stay tethered to earth, stay tethered to the ground, and see these opportunities for what they are, opportunities, right? To continue to stuff your bags more. I see people on a daily basis on green days in our live streams wanting prices to go lower so that they can buy more consistently, right? So you should not in any way feel negative if we do see further downside. You should be excited. And if you don't have any dry powder, we're not, you're going to have time still. So go try to work some overtime. Go, try to make some extra cash, check between the cushions on your couch. You know what I mean? Metaphorically, obviously, but you can do stuff to make money. You can, right? It's just a matter of whether you're willing to not sit down and watch Netflix and stuff like that, and you're willing to take a side job or something. I get it. I worked 4 jobs. Guys, when I was making my first portfolio, scraped everything together. And then, I mean, hell, last year, even though I don't even have to, last year I was working 4 jobs, right? Keep myself busy. So make the dry powder while you can. Take advantage of these guys. Don't get frustrated. Don't give up on the future financially free person that you're trying to be out of an emotional short-term situation, because I promise you, you will look back a year and a half from now, and you'll regret giving up on it, because everything will be in a much better spot, and you'll just be like, man, I coulda, woulda, shoulda, right? And that's another thing I'm seeing a lot of right now, guys, online. A bunch of people saying coulda, shoulda, wouldas. Don't do that to yourself. Crypto, you can't. If you're going to look back in hindsight at things constantly in crypto, you're going to fail in crypto, right? You can't sit there going, oh, I should have sold this altcoin at this price. Now it's back down here, and I could have bought, how much more with that money? What are you talking about? No one has a time machine. You made the right move by not selling based on the current information that you had at the time, right? That's it. And that's all you can do. Hindsight solves no problems whatsoever, right? Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Yeah. If and buts were candy and nuts, right? It doesn't mean anything. So don't do that to yourself. Don't sit there doing that to yourself. You're only torturing yourself, right? So yeah. In saying that, guys, listen, we even though this is happening, guys, if I said to you, you could join our community and you could still be making swing trade opportunities and making money while everyone else is losing it all around you, while the market is red and going down. Over on the Patreon, that's what we're doing, right? We're doing swing trades all the time. We're making hundreds of percentages in gains, which is giving us fresh, dry powder to deploy into projects on days where it dumps, right? So if I provided you that opportunity, along with the opportunity to join our community of over 1,800 people, where you could join the chats, you could join the free Discord that I've created for the Patreon members as well. You could join, or you could book one-on-one coaching AMAs with me for free. That comes free as well with your Patreon membership. If I could offer all of that to you, right? And all I wanted from you in return was for you to buy me a Happy Meal. Would you buy me a Happy Meal? Of course you would buy me a Happy Meal for that kind of opportunity. You could leave if you don't like it. If you go in there and you're like, you know what, I'm not feeling it. I don't like it. You can leave. There's nothing stopping you. There's nothing stopping you. There's no lock-in. There's no nothing, right? So it's worth it. It is worth it to go check it out and see if it's for you for the price of a Happy Meal. You'd have to be crazy not to miss out on, even if you get in on just one of our swing trade opportunities or one of the gems that we drop there constantly that we get into early, like XCN, like Swift, like ZBEC, right? We got in on all that stuff early and made thousands of % in returns. We were buying that stuff over a year ago when no one was talking about it, right? If you want that opportunity, guys, it's worth checking out for the price of a Happy Meal, right? So definitely, check it out. If you don't like it, you can go. But again, I can promise you 2 things, okay? 1, you will learn something over there that's going to make you a better trader and a better investor in this space. And 2, once you become a member of our community, you get to know everybody there. You see everything that our community has to offer, the wealth of knowledge and experience that this community provides. You're not going to want to leave. So definitely check that out, guys. The link is down below. Why not take a chance? Why not check it out? For the price of a Happy Meal, you really cannot go wrong. You spend more than that on absolutely nothing on a daily basis, right? Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.